So what I've done, I put in this tool because when I use this to make a space, what happened is like you can't see it because the strips are so small. So that's why I make sure just do them a little bit far apart so you can see how I open the tweezer to replace the strip, to put in the strip. So after I take the strip off the paper, I like to rest it here so I can take it back from this angle, put it in the glue, and then use this tweezer to separate the hair from where I'm going to put it and place it down right there. And that's it. See, very easy guys. See, just use the tweezer, open up and place, and this give you a nice finish and nice 3D look. Especially, you know, you meet some people that don't have any lash any at all. It's good to use this to do it, and then, you know, give them a more fuller look. Because I've met some clients that their lash are gone, completely gone. It's like them just tear them off. So I will use this at first because there is no lash to put the singles on. It really create this nice little, you know, outspoken look, and I like it. This is just too strong. Yep, them in just right. That's just for the corner. I'll do that like that because I want a look, I want a certain look. That's why I'm doing it like this. So I'm opening them up now and do them one by one. Same 10mm, because I'm now adding them to the corner. And as you see, you might see me just using one tweezer because of the type of strand, or should I say lash, it doesn't give me there is nothing there for me to really separate that kind of thing. So it's easy for me to just see one and just put it on it. So there's nothing for me to really separate per se right now. So like how I put those two now, I'll just separate them and put that one there. Wow, that's beautiful. And I'm not one to give up. If I said that okay, that area need more, I'm going to get it there. It's like, don't say to yourself that okay, the client not going to notice, but you know it would look good there. Don't bother say the client not going to notice, so I'm not going to do it. Spend time, patience, and do it. Remember, if you think too much glue is on the lash, just wipe it on top of the cup right there. Yep. What I was worried about, it was this black line right here, right? So I was wondering if you're not going to notice that that the lash, actually the line of this strip is black, and this is how small the lashes are. If I came in close with the camera so you can see it, and now when I'm finished, this is the look that we get right there. And as you can see, the black line right there. You can do it on anybody because this is actually harder to do it on. I'm telling you, it is. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if it is that you want me to do more lash tutorial, let me know.